Now, baby Mario, that wall is an analogy for your butt cheek. Luigi, please convey to baby Mario how his butt cheek is going to look after we're done with him.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This test will help you to do what you need in case of a real emergency, such as a tornado warning or flash flood warning or any emergencies like that. Those emergencies would have followed the tone alerts that you've heard at the beginning of the message. Require monthly test from broadcast cable operators who will be soon to participate in the required monthly test. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Now, don't forget, baby Mario, you have 4 cheeks on your body, so we have more to spank. And if you think that's not enough, we also have multiple colors in the paint sector. So if you think red's bad, we got